Hi guys, I'm cooking some. Hello everyone. I'm gonna cook some chicken. Here I have olive oil, garlic, onion, and ginger. And then I'm using the chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh. So I'm going to cook some chicken calderita mix using this Mamacita spicy sauce, calderita sauce seasoning. Ayan, I'm using this one. And then I have this. I have bell pepper, the sweet peppers. Then I have potato and some carrots. Ayan. And then I have some more ingredients like green peas. This is my experiment. So, kung ano lang yung nasa cabinet ng mga seasoning. Ayan. At saka available na meat. And then I think I'm gonna use some garbanzos too because I love garbanzos. And then I add some black pepper. At saka I love using oyster sauce on my food. Just a little bit oyster sauce. So I have 1 cup of water. So I'm going to mix this Mamacita powder seasoning into this water. Here's the chicken, guys. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Ayan. Then I'm going to add some tomato paste on this Mamacita calderita seasoning. Let's add some tomato paste. Just, ayan. Tansya-tansya, guys. Ayan guys, nakasimmer na siya guys. 5 minutes na siya nakasimmer. Tapos ilagay na natin itong Mamacita calderita mix. Ayan, with tomato paste. Ayan. Ayan. Smells good. So, simmer natin ito mga 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Ayan. Tapos takpan ulit natin guys. Ayan guys. Naka 5 minutes na siyang kumulo. Since inilagay ko yung carrots. Tapos now naman ilalagay ko yung aking patatas. Ayan. Aking patatas. Tapos haluin ko siya. Oh my god, I can smell so really good. Thank you sa Mamacita seasoning. Put a lot of ginger kay yung aking asawa mahilig kumain ng ginger. Tapos every time nagluluto ako ng mga ulam, nilalagyan ko siya ng ginger. Minsan nagsasayang ako ng kanin, nilalagyan ko siya ng ginger. Ayan. This is chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh. Ayan. Tapos pakukuluin na naman natin yan siya ng mga 5 minutes bago ko ilulunod yung sweet peppers at saka yung aking Snoopy's. Ayan guys, super bango guys, super bango. Pantuwit yan. Tapos nagta-timer ako guys. Nagta-timer ako. Ayan. Timer is starting. Hello everyone. Good day, good evening. Ayan, this is my chicken thigh boneless calderita. Ayan. Smells good. And then I have some rice with saffron. And guys, let's eat. It smells good. Let's taste it. And really yummy. Thank you to the Mamacita seasoning. Let's eat na guys.